Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg muffins in the oven. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, thoroughly grease a 12-cup muffin tin to ensure your muffins don't stick. Then, whisk together your eggs with a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper for a perfect base. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now, let's talk about customizing your egg muffins. You can add a variety of delicious fillings. Start by chopping your favorite vegetables, like bell peppers, spinach, or onions, into small, manageable pieces. If you're including meats such as bacon or sausage, make sure to cook them thoroughly beforehand. Then, evenly distribute your chosen fillings into each of the greased muffin cups. Once your fillings are in place, it's time to add the egg mixture. Carefully pour the whisked egg mixture over the fillings, filling each muffin cup about 2/3 full. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the muffins are set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. They'll puff up beautifully as they cook. After baking, allow your egg muffins to cool in the tin for a few minutes before carefully removing them. This helps them hold their shape. For storage, once completely cooled, place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh for up to 4 days. To enjoy them later, simply reheat gently in the microwave for about 30 seconds or in the oven for a quick and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.